Hey, I'm Yasin. I'm from Bangladesh. Now I study in China. I found some good products in China. It's very cheap price and the quality is very good. It's fine to help me. My some Chinese friends, we have the good collaboration with the factories. This factory is located in Jinan, Shandong province. Has more than 20 years of production experience. We have a complete production China from raw materials to finished products. So our price is very competitive. They also have a number of sophisticated equipment to complete the products with high quality and meet our customer needs. Okay guys, let's introduce the raw materials. This PE, this is the very high quality PE. Bro, come. You can saw in my hand the PE is the very high quality.
Nice.
Let's see the final products. I have right now the three colors available. It's the black, the green, and the yellow one. So guys, you can see the more details about the product. Is the very high quality P and the good products. Even if you want, you cannot see my hand. It's made by high quality P and added high percent UV. It's reduced the shading rate of each product more than 85%. Even the black ones more than 90% because it's made by high quality raw materials. So we also provide you the good quality goods with after sales service. Why I recommend to you these products? Because it can reduce the sunlight and increase the more agricultural production. It's make our life very comfortable. If you are interested in our products, please send me a private message at WhatsApp and we will give you the more information about the products. We will give you the biggest discount and I will show you the more Chinese products later. Thank you for watching.